Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Last night I prepared. This is a yummy dish. You could use it like I did as dinner, or you could use it as a side at your favorite picnic or gathering. Yeah, it's pineapple shrimp barley salad. Super simple. I kicked it up a little bit with a couple added ingredients. Um, One of the ingredients I prepared, or I'm sorry, that I added was some green onion to the bell pepper and pineapple. And I thought the shrimp needed a little something. So I used and added my Thai spice blend that I just put together a couple days ago. This is a fantastic little dish. Again, it's simple. It's definitely multi-step. If you saw the video, it's multi-step, but that's okay. It's worth it. Tonight, I'm going to go as true with this recipe as possible, and it's because it's very simple. I read this great article about Chef Boyardee. I'm doing Chef Boyardee's spaghetti sauce tonight. It's super simple, and it's really funny, or it's not really funny, but it's interesting. It's missing what most people think is an Italian ingredient. I'll get to that in a second. Let's see if you catch it. This is his original spaghetti sauce recipe. Let's get to it. Simple hardware. I'm just going to use my medium saucepan for the sauce because I'm only cooking for one. Obviously, the Dutch oven for the pasta and the colander for the pasta. We're going to start off with some ground beef. This is 93%. Because it really, like typical, it calls for, a lean ground beef. There's kosher salt, black pepper. I'm cheating a little bit. It does call for canned whole. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get them at the store I'm currently at, but I'm using canned crushed tomato. Diced onion, diced carrot, extra virgin olive oil, mushrooms, basil. I have to go get some new basil. This basil went bad on me quick. Butter, some Parmesan cheese, and of course, I'm using a long pasta. I'm using linguine because I'm a big linguine fan, but I am going to use a long pasta. What is missing? I'll tell you if you didn't see it. There's no garlic. Zero garlic in his recipe. Wow. This should be interesting. Now, I ate Chef Boyardee raviolis growing up. I'm sure if you open the can, I would smell it and go, that's Chef Boyardee. Let's see what his original sauce tastes like and smells like. All right, on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.